Sometimes you have too much fun, but luckily enough I already bought 2 new tires, so there is no worries here whatsoever. Welcome to Auto Cornered, and today is a special day because we will be replacing the rear brake pads and motors on this beautiful car. If you're wondering what that sound is, well, that's my rear tire that got the puncture. But I've looked at it, it looks like it's safe to drive on it. I think it's run flat tires. I'm driving it really carefully to see if I can make it. The tire shop is only like a kilometer away. So. Oh, this one. Let's check out the tire. It's nothing left. Only on the tires. Anyways, I'm not driving on it, I'm going safe. I actually have a spare tire in here that I hope will make it. We'll find out. Like, the good part about it is that actually I got it on cam. So the good part is that I got it on camera, which is very important. Yeah. The thing I like about Assetto Corsa is, you know, when you blew your tires on Assetto Corsa, you go into reset and bam, you get 4 new tires. In real life it's not that simple. You have to put on a spare tire, you have to go fill the car up, you have to go pick up the new tires and go to a tire place. It's a little bit more tricky. Another thing when I set the Corsa is it's really cheap. The reset button doesn't cost a penny, while on real life rear tires do cost. But to be on a positive side, tires on this car is actually not that expensive. The tires that you can have on this is basically for Goodyear Eagle F1s, 1,500 bucks. So 150 bucks, which is quite cheap compared if you have like an M5 F10. Those tires are like 3,000 a pop, or 300 euros a pop. So it's economical to own this car. Auto Corner, the top tip of the day. Great.